Hi, my name's Celeste, and I am a certified laughter yoga teacher, and I want to help you laugh on purpose because laughter feels good and it's good for you. You don't even need to feel like laughing in order to get the health benefits of laughter. You just go through the motions of laughter. So, what we're going to do is just go through the motions of laughter together and get the health benefits of laughter. So, I want to invite you to start off by just smiling. Yes, already releasing those happy hormones just by smiling. And just begin to roll the shoulders, just rolling the shoulders. Taking some good deep breaths in. Just allowing your shoulders to loosen as you smile. Excellent. Now what I want to invite you to do is sway from side to side while making laughing sounds. So here we go. Let's just make some laughter sounds. Hee 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 hee. Ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho. Hee 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 hee. Ha 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 ha. It always makes me laugh when I do that. We're just going to enjoy some waving laughter. We're going to wave at each other like you're waving at your best friend that you haven't seen in 5 years, all while laughing. All right? Waving laughter, ready, go. Woo! And say this with me. Very good, very good, yay! Let's do it again. Very good, yay! Very nice. Did you know that laughter actually functions as an aerobic workout? So when you laugh, you get a workout just by laughing. So what we're going to do is we're going to imagine that we're working out. So you can do all the things that you might do when you're working out, but you're going to do them with laughter, all right? So I'm going to pump some iron and laugh, all right? Ready, go. Oh. And say this with me. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Two more. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Last one. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. And yay. Really nice. This last one is called appreciation laughter. We're just going to appreciate each other for helping each other to laugh. So what you do is you give a thumbs up, you give a high five, you give an elbow bump, all while laughing. All right, ready, go. And say this with me. Very good, yay. Let's do it again. Very good, yay. Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining in this intentional laughter practice. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you want to receive more videos. And this video is actually sponsored by Advo. Advo is a communication coaching company that helps you to laugh and learn through their out-of-the-box solutions. So definitely check that out. There is a code to save 15%, Celeste15. Thanks.